What's up, guys? Aaron's here with a GoPro Fusion 360 camera. It's 2019. I'm sort of like an amateur, total photographer, videographer, totally amateur. I love playing with videos. I love making videos. I had the Virb 360, got the GoPro 360 here on sale. So I really wanted to check it out and do a quick unboxing and give my thoughts, especially when I had a Virb 360. I did just recently get rid of it. I used it for a cruise mainly. But let's get into the unboxing video. I'm not gonna do a super long intro for you guys, so let's go ahead and get into it, get this thing unboxed and playing with it. All right, let's get into it. As someone who loves to take tons of amateur videos, the box is also a lot heavier. It does definitely feel heavier than I thought. I just got a GoPro Hero 7 Black a little recently, and you know, this box does feel a little heavier. Just to kind of show you the box here. Spin it around. Look at the pole. All right. And it's nice, cool. I cut off, so it's a nice slide off box. Some instructions immediately fall out here. Of course, all the instructions I'm not gonna read. And we have the camera itself. You know, it's not as heavy. I know it doesn't have the battery in it. It's not as heavy as I thought it would be at first look or first glance. So, typical mount. Obviously, it is wider. My wife actually took the GoPro Hero Black to her family's, and that's kind of special why she took that, but we'll share maybe with you guys. And so obviously I can't do a direct comparison, but I do have an older GoPro upstairs I can grab. But yeah, so that's the unit itself. Cool, excited. Check that out. Okay, nice box, and here's all the cool accessories. Now, again, I got this on sale for $299. Kind of a one-day sale at Best Buy. And they're currently about $400. So there's that. There's a case for it. It's actually a pretty nice little neoprene case. Smooth on the inside so it don't scratch. Which is nice because that was kind of a thing I did kind of hate with the Virb. Is that it didn't really have a case for it. It's supposed to be like that. It's kind of weird. Yeah, I guess it is. That's very interesting. Yeah, so there's that. Got a couple mounts it comes with. Little sticky pads on the bottom. Mounts. And also, luckily, USB-C. Typical GoPro, same as with the GoPro Hero 7 uses. Get out of here. Let's toss this in here. Okay, and then we have the pole. You can see right away it's a lot larger than what the Virb 360 came with. So your typical battery for this, and then we get it's actually pretty heavy. Again, if you've seen the Virb 360, I didn't do like a full video on it, but like I do an unboxing. It comes with like a post that's about like this big. Obviously, I've been using the GoPro tripod attachment for most of my footage, and this one's a lot bigger. See if we can pull this off real quick. I always hate taking plastic off in these videos because it always seems to be so loud. I'll get that off. And then, okay. So yeah, it's got the little tripod here. It's also a little stable handle, I guess. Just kind of show you what it's like here. So yeah, tripod there. Okay, so about the camera. Try to get everything in the camera here. Seems like we're a little crooked. All right, yeah, so yeah, that's what comes in the box here. You got a square mount, circle mount, USB-C. And again, this case, it's kind of interesting how it dangles out there. It's not a full, I guess it's just more for like, so you don't scratch it in the bag or something like that. Again, we'll look at the unit. And I'll actually be posting it because I'll actually get to use this here. So that's where you insert the battery. And you got your power. This should be your SD card, your charging. That's your charging one. So each SD slot, because it does take 2 SD cards, you can see the slots right there. All right, but yeah, so that's pretty much the unboxing there. again, I'll post a little follow-up review here, probably, you know, a couple weeks, and what I think of it. Again, it's 2019, got it on sale for $300, cheaper than a technically GoPro Hero 7. Totally different footage. It's one thing I did learn with the 360 Virb. I took it on a cruise pretty much and used it for excursions. It's totally different footage. You obviously need a really powerful computer. Phones can do it too, but you really need a powerful computer, a lot of RAM to do good things with the 360 footage. You know, obviously sharing it's a big issue too. I do have a PlayStation VR. I do have, you know, YouTube on that, and so you kind of check it out. And obviously, you know, Facebook has stuff. But that's one thing to do. If you're thinking about getting a GoPro Fusion, you're trying to check out the, obviously you're looking at an unboxing. Something to think about. It's just, yeah, it's like, what kind of footage are you going to shoot with it? And, you know, do you have a capability of processing it? You know, 360 footage is just a little different. But yeah, I'll post more of that in the kind of detailed little first look and review when I get to play with it. So I appreciate you guys checking out the video. Be sure to like, definitely leave a like, you know, subscribe if you guys like the content, want to see more. It really helps, you know, just let me know that you guys care and want to see more, and I'll keep making videos for you guys. So appreciate it. All right, thanks guys.